All right, we are trying another rice cooker meal today. This is Van Girl Cheryl. Welcome to my channel. I'm just doing some experimenting in the van here. And what I'm finding out is I'm digging this rice cooker. So, of course, I have a salad here. It's a pretty good size one. Lots of dressing. And check this out. Ooh-wee. Okay, too much smoke. Steam. But what I got in here is some chicken breast, cut up chicken breast, cut up potatoes, cut up onion, some spices, and of course you cut everything to approximately the same size, and then I can serve that over a bed of rice, and I am happy now. All right, easy rice cooker meal for the van. Ciao for now. Take good care. Take good care of each other out there. Bye-bye.